Hi, this is Betty, and today's short video is about how to make and share a wish list at the Hutson store. So first you go to her store at www.ellenhutson.com, and if you haven't made an account, you create an account by clicking on the top right hand corner, and then you fill out this whole form. And I won't go through all of this here, but I'll just show you how I make a wish list. So here I'll sign into my account, and first you go and you click on wish list again on the top right hand corner, and to make a new wish list you click on create a new wish list, and then you name it, and here I'll name it sample. And then you click on the box to say I want to be able to share this wish list, and then click on save wish list. So now that list is added to the bottom of my wish lists, and then you click share so that you can share it, and then it comes up with this big long code. It starts with HTTPS, and so I highlight it, and then I right click and click copy, and to share it I'll open my email and compose a new email. And here's that email that I've created a subject line of wish list, and then I right click and I hit paste, and that long code will be inserted into the email. And then you just send it to whoever you decide you want to share it with. And then this is the email that they will get with a link that leads them back to your wish list. And there's the sample we created, but it doesn't have anything in it. So how about if I just add an item to that wish list? So the product that I'll search for is the Mondo Amaryllis, because that's the next video I will be sharing with you after this one. Just typing in Mondo Amaryllis. I know the font is really small, so it's hard to see. And here is the stamp set. So you can either click on the picture of the item or down on the icon that says add to wish list, and then you can view your wish list by clicking on view wish list. And then I learned that it adds it to the first list on your wish lists. And so I'll just delete my other wish list and re-add it so that it shows up on the new wish list we just made. And so if you click on your wish list, there is the item we just added. And there's that long code that we had talked about. And you can keep adding items to your wish list even after you've shared the code with your family and friends, and it'll automatically be updated. And so that's the video for today. Thank you for watching, and here's a sneak peek of what's to come in my next video. I invite you to like, share, and subscribe, and come back for the next video where DJ will be back to add his creative commentary to our video. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.